We go to a primetime news follow-up now. Overseas financial auditors have officially been brought in to assist in the ongoing fraud case at Stocks and Securities Limited SSL. Kroll Associates UK today signed a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Finance. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The clock has been ticking and the country has been growing impatient about the investigation into the multi-million-dollar fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited SSL. In January, the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clarke, revealed that international forensic partners were engaged, but since then, there have been no update. On Tuesday, however,
we are here today to sign with Kroll Associates UK, a firm of a subsidiary of Kroll International, which is a firm known for their forensic audit experience and expertise. This fraud, as I mentioned, and as the other members of, well, the executive director of the FID mentioned, is complex, complicated because of the length of time over which it was perpetrated.
Kroll Associates UK brings to the table over 100 years' experience in forensic auditing. Dr. Clarke is confident the international firm will be able to assist with the investigations.
Kroll will bring to the table in their assistance to FID technology and the fraud squad, technology and expertise that will enable the investigators to unravel every aspect of this fraud.
So far, former wealth advisor Jean Ann Panton is facing multiple charges in relation to the fraud. The police have been mum on whether there are accomplices. So, as the international auditor digs into the matter, all eyes will be watching. In the midst of it all, skepticism among some Jamaicans about the possible outcome.
The policy directive with respect to the investigation in the SSL matter consists of, first, leaving no stone unturned; secondly, to follow the evidence wherever it might lead; and third, to seek international help; and fourth, the government will provide whatever resources are required.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.